Hi everybody and welcome back to the painting channel. Today's study is an oil. It's a little study I decided to do at the River Thames in London and a nice sunset behind Westminster. Now I also decided to set this one to music just for a change. So grab yourself a coffee or a cup of tea, sit back, let's roll the introduction. Hope you enjoy it. Catch you at the other end. Bye bye for now. Okay, welcome back everybody. Now, before I go any further, as always, let me just thank everybody, all my new subscribers and old subscribers for your support. Thanks ever so much, everybody. And if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, then click that subscribe button, click the bell icon, and give it the thumbs up. And also add comments if you want. That's fantastic. I love to read them and I'll always answer them. And at the same time, don't forget, every Monday at 7 o'clock London time, I always create a live stream and I change the medium every week. And at the same time, if you want a lot more from me, then don't forget there is my Patreon. All the details are in the show more under each and every video. And you can nip on over there, look at what's on offer, choose a tier you want to get involved with and climb on board. That'll be fantastic. You get so much more money and you also know that you're helping me support my channel and help me finance all the content that I create each and every week for you. So with that all said and done, a little note on this week's video. It wasn't meant to be this week. I had another one planned, but unfortunately the edit for that video was taking so long I could not get it ready in time for this week, so I had to improvise and create a new short video for you for this week, so I didn't let you all down, and I didn't want to do that, so I did one. But the lighting is not as good as I had hoped it to be, but hopefully you'll enjoy it, you'll get something from it, and that'd be great. And the video I had intended will be up to watch next week. So without further ado, let's get in, enjoy the video, catch you all very, very soon. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that. I do apologize again for the lighting. It wasn't as good as it should have been, but I hope it didn't spoil your enjoyment. But next week's video is still being edited and it will be ready to watch for next Friday. So, in the meantime, be safe, happy painting, have a great weekend. Catch you all soon. Bye-bye.